Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy AlteredTech back again with a new video. In today's video, we will be doing a camera comparison test with the LG G6 and the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, I won't be doing a camera comparison with the standard lens. This is all going to be about the ultra wide angle lens on the Galaxy S10 and that wide angle lens on the LG G6. So why am I comparing a 2016 device with a 2019 device? That doesn't make much sense. Hey, listen to this. Now, when this phone first came out, a lot of the top tech YouTubers like Mr. Mobile was talking about, hey, how great the wide angle lens was. So I picked one up, and you know what? It turns out the wide angle lens, it is pretty cool. You could just capture a lot more without moving back. And there's some situations where you can't move back and you're able to capture more, which was pretty convenient. I was kind of just wishing Samsung would actually do the same thing with their device. Same thing. So here's what happened. Samsung, it was like, well, a couple years went by, and then Huawei started coming out with all these, triple camera systems, and then Samsung started sweating, and then they finally, in 2019, came out with a ultra wide angle lens. Now, here's the thing. Can their ultra wide angle lens, can it compete with the LG G6? Because if it can't, that would be a downgrade. That wouldn't be cool. So I want to show you guys Galaxy S10 actually captures a lot more. It has a wider field of view. When the LG G7 came out, that actually had a smaller field of view than the LG G6. Now with the LG G6, you do have some distortion. Listen, I love my LG G6. It's a great device. But I want to be honest, on the edges, it actually feels like it stretches out a little bit. You might see in these upcoming photos. I actually posted a photo comparison on Reddit, and they actually showed me that, that the S10 also has distortion as well. But to me personally, it's not as dramatic as on the LG G6. And there is a feature on the S10 where you could actually change the perspective to minimize that distortion. So the LG G6 does not have that feature. So when it comes to the wide angle lens, you want to be able to capture as much as possible. So when the LG G7 kind of shrunk in that field of view, I was very disappointed. So Samsung just, they really, stepped up their game and they really took the win on that. So, I still love LG and everything. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys and girls think. I am interested to hear your opinions. This is actually like a learning experience as well. You get to learn from different people, get different opinions. This is AlteredTech. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy the photo comparison. Peace.